I'm already getting the alerts, cancellations for sports this weekend.
Oh, yeah,
right?
exactly right, because you're going to have the wind, you're going to have the rain, and we're going to, of course, be tracking those storms. Since we met at the top of the show, another 13 severe reports added to the list, now up to 55 tornadoes. So the National Weather Service, they're going to have their work cut out for them because they got to go survey all the damage. It's incredible. 246 hail reports, and this thing is long from over. So let's get you out the door, starting with the temperatures. I mean, we're in the 60s. If you haven't stepped outside, I know it's 11 o'clock at night. Most of you laying in bed watching this. But it is extremely mild, and the wind's starting to pick up a little bit, and this is part of the story. The warmer it is, the more energy there is for the atmosphere to work with, generally speaking, and it's starting out very mild. Nothing going on right now in terms of any rain, so let's get right to your future cast to show you that within the next few hours, we're going to start seeing the rain. Our first wave moves in probably in that 2:30 to 4 a.m. time frame. Heavy rainfall, the winds kick up, not totally out of the question for a rumble of thunder, but we are not expecting severe weather with that wave. The first potential for a severe storm would be along a line that cuts through here, let's say 9 a.m. through about 11 a.m. or so, and this will potentially, along that leading edge, have winds strong enough, just strong enough so the National Weather Service issues a severe warning for wind. I wouldn't call that likely, but it's certainly a possibility. So that's wave one. We're going to have a break once we get to about noon through roughly 2 to 3 o'clock as the skies clear and give the atmosphere a little more energy. And it's in that clearing that we could see some storms start to develop. And it's these storms into the afternoon and evening that could be strong enough as they're riding along with the wind to produce severe storms, severe weather, 58-mile-per-hour wind gusts or greater, and a tornado, especially in New Jersey. So we're going to watch this very closely. We'll watch the cold front itself approach into that 7 p.m. time frame. Now, while this model here doesn't have the real bright look to it, it doesn't look all that threatening, it's exactly that. It's just a forecast model. I think in this time frame, the 6, 7, maybe 8 p.m. time frame is what we really need to watch as well as the front itself sweeps through the area. We get to this time tomorrow night, and that threat winds down considerably in terms of the severe weather. Not the wind. The winds will remain, and that is one of our major impacts for you on Saturday. Tomorrow, high wind. Take the storms out of it. It's going to be 45, maybe 50 miles per hour, so that is definitely a high impact. Power outages, certainly something we want to watch. Moderate impact for that simply because of the winds. Could take those power lines out pretty easily in spots. Severe threat, that's high, no question about it. We have the potential for some of those severe storms. I don't see flooding as a big threat. There's not a lot of moisture with this. It's low, but we got the wind. We have the possibility of the severe storms, so there are a few things that you can do. And I'm somebody who is just a huge proponent of preparing and over-preparing. Hopefully you don't ever have to use it. That's great, but you're ready if you do. Charge your devices, your cell phones, your tablets, your computers, including your power strips that you may plug into those things. If you have a generator, put gas in it. Bring your stuff inside. Just get ready for some stronger storms. Get your needed items ready as well. Maybe your power goes out and you don't have power tomorrow night. Get some flashlights ready so you're not, scouring through the drawers looking for them when your power's out. Also, load the CBS Philadelphia app. We're going to be doing streaming on that app tomorrow, including cut-ins, and have a plan in place. If you get a tornado warning over your house, what are you going to do? You and your family should get to the basement or an interior room. Have that plan so you're not just scrambling around if a tornado warning is issued. And, of course, here, Tammy Souza in the morning, she's got you covered. I'll be in the afternoon with Andrew Kozak. We're going to be broadcasting, of course, doing cut-ins on our app and on air if need be. We have a big plan for you to keep you and your family safe. Sunday, 52 degrees. It's breezy and cool. Tomorrow's our weather alert. Guys, more storms the middle of next week, which we'll keep a close eye on. Over.
Wow, I know you will. Okay, buddy, thank you.